Meaning of enunciate.
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 Enunciate. Enunciate means to articulate words or sounds clearly and distinctly. When someone enunciates, they ensure that each syllable of a word is pronounced accurately, without slurring or mumbling. Enunciation is important in public speaking, singing, and acting, as it helps the audience understand and follow the message being conveyed. Proper enunciation also adds clarity and impact to a person's speech. By enunciating clearly and precisely, a person can ensure that their message is received and understood by others in an effective way.